Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the living world. Today, we will study taxonomic categories. These are the examples: human, housefly, mango, and wheat. Their biological name, genus, family, order, class, and division is given. Next, we will move to taxonomical aids, which includes herbarium, botanical gardens, zoological parks, museum, key, flora, manuals, monographs, catalogs, and we will discuss each and every one. Each first is herbarium. It is a storehouse of plant specimens that are dried, pressed, and preserved on sheet and are arranged according to universal accepted classification. Herbarium sheets are labeled with information about date and place of collection, English, local, and botanical names, family, collector's name, etc. Means that whenever this herbarium sheet is made, that whatever plants we collect, the date on which we collected that plant, the date is must be mentioned, even the place from where the collection is taken, and the name must be local name, English name, and botanical name with proper family and classification is required. Herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimen. Further, we will move to next, that is botanical gardens. There are specialized gardens having collection of living plants for reference and identification. Each plant is labeled with its botanical name and family. Means whenever you go to any botanical garden, that plant, the local name, English name, it's not essential to have all this name, but botanical name must be there. It is so because it is universally used. And the world largest botanical garden, Royal Botanical Garden at Kew, that is England. The picture you can see here. This is Royal Botanical Garden. Indian Botanical Garden, Havra, West Bengal. Must visit there at least once. National Botanical Garden, Research Institute, Lucknow. Next is Biological Museum. It is a collection of preserved plants and animals for study and reference. They are preserved in order to study their characteristic, morphology, anatomy. Museum contains specimens preserved in preservative solution in a container or jar. Dried specimen of plants and animal. This preservative solution mainly contain formalin. Insect preserved in insect box after collecting, killing, or pinning. Stuff large animal like birds and mammals. Collection of animal skeleton. These are all done in order to study its morphology and anatomy. Next is zoological park. You know very well that throughout India and world it is there. There are the place where live wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care. It helps to learn about their fooding habit and behavior. Key. It is an analytical method of identification of organism based on similarity and dissimilarity. It is based on contrasting character, generally in pair called couplet. Each couplet has two opposite options Of these, only relevant option is accepted and other is rejected. Each statement in the key is called a lead. For example, if you see here first, dry skin, this salamander, no, this is its skin is not dry. Now second, skin is dry, no, that is like, if yes, then having hair, no, lizard don't have hair. If yes, then opposable thumb, no, tiger, absence. If yes, then come to bipedal, that is gorilla, no. Yes, human. This shows that they originated from their single ancestor. The same example is given here with the gram positive cells. Note that is rod shaped. That shape of the cell is here rod shaped. Gram positive bacteria. If rod shaped, if no, that is cocky and philomorphic bacteria. Can tolerate oxygen. One can tolerate, yes, that is ferments lactose. If no, then obligate anaerobase. This is that the branch is given for the study of bacterial. Next is flora. It is actual account of habitat and distribution of plant species of a given area. Means that in Himalaya region, flora of that region, flora just stand flora, start FLOWR, flower, flora. With the same flora means plant, fauna that is animal. Here flora, FLOWR, flower means plant, the flora means plant. Here we study about the flora, plant of a specific area. Manuals means they are in the written format, anyone can study it for their. Manuals are the record that contain information for identification of names of species found in an area. Monographs, these are the record that contain information on any one taxon. Catalogs, it is an alphabetical list of species, means that it is easy to identify, easy to get the information. It is in alphabetical order. Thank you.